Today, we're going to learn how to use the distributions card on the NumWorks board. The distributions card is how you can calculate probabilities based on different distributions. Use the drop-down menu to select your needed distribution. For example, let's look at a normal distribution. First, input your needed parameters for the distribution. For normal, we'll need to input a mean and a standard deviation. To make sure you see the curve, activate the auto zoom. Next, select your interactive probability statement to be left of the value, between two values, or to the right of a value. Now you can input values into any field in the probability statement. For example, we can find the probability that x is greater than or equal to 85. We can also find the x value for the upper 10%. And lastly, you can drag the probability bar on the graphic window to explore the connection between the values and the probabilities. For more tutorials, visit num.works/board tutorials.